Hello there, my name is Dominic and today I'm going to show you how to limit the maximum volume on itel and Syinix digital televisions. Now press the menu on your remote control and scroll down to feature, press OK and press OK again at lock. The default password is 0000, but you can enter any password that you had previously set. Now scroll again to hotel mode and enter. Now, in case you can't see this hotel mode feature on your TV, please wait till the end of the video. I'm going to show you how to activate it using the hidden factory menu. In hotel mode, if it's already in the off position, just press the right navigation button to enable it. Just like that. And now you need to scroll all the way down to maximum volume. Right here. And now using the right or left navigation buttons, you can either increase it or reduce it. Now, for example, I'm just going to set the maximum volume to 17. When I exit and try to increase the volume, when it hits 17, you can see it says maximum volume is limited. The other thing, the default volume is the volume that will show up when you turn on the TV. For example, if I set it to maybe 6, and then I exit and switch off the TV and switch it on back again, whatever channel it will show, the volume will be at 6. And you can see I've just increased it to 7, so that was the default volume. In case you didn't see hotel mode, this is what you do. We are going to enter into the factory settings of this television so that we can enable it. Press menu and then 1147. And here is the hidden factory menu of itel and Syinix digital televisions. By the way, this tutorial can also work on other Chinese televisions. So in factory settings, scroll down to function and press the right navigation button. Then down, you can see hotel mode. If it was in the off position, you wouldn't have seen the hotel mode in the feature settings. And I have a separate video about these hidden factory settings on itel and Syinix TVs. Do not try and mess up anything that you don't understand here. I would recommend that you watch that video first before watching this video. So that's it. I hope you learned something new today. Please subscribe if you haven't. Let's meet in the next video and goodbye.